Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to switch servers in Diablo Immortal. If you want to switch servers in Diablo Immortal without losing your hard-earned progress, then first of all, launch the Diablo Immortal and make sure that you're inside this main menu. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the server drop-down right at the top of Tap to Play button. From here, you can go ahead and select the server you want to change to. After selecting the server from the options, you will be able to see that the selected server has now been shown in the display. Now tap on Tap to Play. Now you will be able to see this character creating page. Go ahead and select a character and then enter a name for the character on the right hand side and click on Create. Wait for the game to load, and there you have joined into a new server. Now once you select a different server, you'll need to restart the game all over again. If you want to switch back to the old server, all you need to do is to tap on your profile picture at the top left, tap on the three dots, and then click on Leave Game. Soon after you do that, make sure you are inside this main home screen, and then from here you can tap on the server drop down once again, and here you can get back to your old server by selecting your old server and tap on Tap to Play. And that's how you can easily switch servers in Diablo Immortal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.